Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Judicial Service. Today we are discussing here Transfer of Property Act 1882's related MCQs. This video is the 10th part of Transfer of Property Act video series. And if you are not watched our previous video, all the link of previous videos is available in our description box. And those who want the PDF file of this video series, the PDF file will be available in our Telegram group, and Telegram group's link is also available in our description box. Let's start in here. Question number 41. Section 61 of Transfer of Property Act does not refer the extinction. So this spelling is wrong here. EXTINCTION. Extension does not survive much more. So this thing is here. And of the equity of redemption by operation of law. So this statement is false, partly false, true, none of the above. So this statement is true statement. The section 60 here dealing with the right of mortgagors to redeem and does not refer the extinction of equity of redemption by operation of law. So our answer is here option C. Next question here. Question number 142. Under the provision of 60A of Transfer of Property Act, where a mortgage is entitled to redemption, so mortgagor is entitled to redemption, he may require the mortgagee, instead of a transferring of property, to assign the mortgage debit and transfer the mortgage property to such third person. This is very important, as the mortgagor may direct than mortgagor. So this thing is provided in section 61A. Section 61A dealing with the obligation to transfer to third party instead of a retransference to mortgagor. This thing is provided in section 60A. Section 60A. So option A here is not bound to assign and transfer accordingly. So not bound here. Option B here is bound. Is bound. This is very important, to assign and transfer accordingly. Yes. So this is correct statement here. Option B. Here the mortgagee is bound to assign and transfer accordingly. So answer is here option B. Now question number 143. The provision of section 61A, the obligation to transfer to a third party instead of a transference to mortgagor do not apply in case of mortgagees who is not in possession, is or has been possession. Option C here, previously possession holder, and option D, none of the above. So the transference to mortgagor do not apply in case of mortgagee who is or has been in possession. So our answer is here option B. Next question number 44. The mortgagor's right to inspection and production of document is provided in. So this section is provided, this question is dealing with the mortgagor's right to inspection in property here. So to inspection the documents is provided in option A 60B of Transfer of Property Act, option B 60A of Transfer of Property Act, option C section 60 of Transfer of Property Act, option D none of the above. So our answer is here option A 60B. In 60B the mortgagors have a right to inspect and production of document. So this thing is provided in section 60B. Who has right? Mortgagors has right. Now question number 145. Section 60B recognize the right of the mortgagors to inspection and copies of deed of title related to a mortgage property which are in custody of mortgagee. This statement is false. This option B partly false, option C true, and option D none of the above. So our answer is here option C. This statement is true statement. Now question number 140, and this thing is dealing in section 60B. The mortgagors have a right to inspect the document of the deeds and which is possession under the mortgagee. So question number 46. Within the meaning of the provision section 61 of Transfer of Property Act, the mortgagors who has execute a two or more mortgages in favor of a same mortgagee when the principal of money of any two or more of a mortgagees has become due. So option A shall not, this is very important here, shall not be entitled to redeem any one of the mortgages separately or any two or more such mortgages together. So, in option A, not entitled to redeem any of such property. In option B, shall be entitled to redeem any one of such mortgages separately. This is very important. Or any two or more of such mortgages together. And option C, only A is correct answer here. So, our answer is here option B. The mortgagors shall be entitled. So, here mortgagors shall be entitled to redeem any one of such mortgages separately or any two or more such mortgages together, and this thing is provided in section 61 of Transfer Property Act. Section 61 is dealing with the right to redeem the separately or simultaneously to entitled to redeem any such of mortgage separately or any two or more such mortgages together. So this thing is provided in section 61. Question number 147. The gist of section 61 of Transfer Property Act, even if the mortgages are of a same property, the mortgagor may redeem each separately unless and restrained by contract to the contrary. Yes, this statement is absolutely correct statement. So option A here true, option B false, partly true, and none of the above. So our answer is here option A. It is true statement under section 61. The 61 are dealing here the right to redeem separately or simultaneously to be entitled to redeem any one such mortgage separately or any two or more such mortgages together. So this thing is provided in section 61. So in this question answer is here option A. This statement is true. Now come to question number 148. Clause A of section 62 of Transfer Property Act refer the case where the principal and interest are paid out of the usufructuary and unfracture. The suit is won for the recovery of possession rather than the redemption. These statements are. So section 61 clause A dealing here the right to usufructuary mortgage to recover the possession. So this statement is a true statement. So our answer is here option B. Now question number 149. The law will not allow the mortgagor to discharge the debit before a prescribed period in manner not completed in a contract. This rule is refer in section 62 of Transfer Property Act 1882. So our answer is here option B. Question number 150. To an analogous mortgage, section 60 of a Transfer Property Act apply whereas an usufructuary mortgage. So in analogous mortgage dealing with the section 60 of Transfer Property Act and apply whereas an usufructuary mortgage in section 62, section 61, section 63 and section 64. So this thing is here. So it apply in section 62. So our answer here option A, section 62. Question number 151. Section 63 of Transfer Property Act deal with the sum of the accession. So first section 63. Section 63 dealing with the accession to mortgage property. This thing is provided in section 63. And which type of accession dealing here? So natural accession, the acquire the accession with are inseparable, and acquire the accession with the inseparable. So all these are available in section 63. So our answer is here option D here. Now question number 152. Section 63 of Transfer of Property Act refer to mortgage right to accession made by mortgage, and while the mortgagee's right or accession made by the mortgagors is referred to. So first of all important thing is section 63, and section 63 is exact same as section 70. So section 63, the heading of the bare act is exact same in section 70. Section 70 dealing with the accession of mortgage property, and same thing is provided in section 63, accession to mortgage property. But there is a minor difference between there. In section 63 the right of mortgagor, but in section 70 deal with the right of mortgagee. So this thing is there. So the mortgagee right exception made by the mortgagors is refer in section 70. So answer is here option A. And now option B here 71. 71 is dealing here renewal of mortgage lease. So this thing is provided in section 71, and section 73 dealing here the right to provide the renewal, renew, sale or compensation of acquisition. This thing is provided in section 73 and 76. 76 here the dealing with the liability of mortgagees in possession, and liabilities of mortgagees is available in section 76 and right of mortgagees available in section 72. This thing is also related to each other. This is liability and this is right, and whose right? Mortgagee's right. So according to this question, answer is here option A. Now question number 153. Section 63 of Transfer Property Act lay down where the mortgage property in possession of mortgagee has received any accession, the mortgagors upon redemption is entitled. So first of all, section 63 dealing with the accession to mortgage property, and this thing, what is the accession? Accession means the right to all who have come into the possession of the which your property is produced, whether by the growth and improvement in the property. It means if there is any property is mortgaged and such property is getting the enhancement or improvement, and the income is improved by the such property. So what is the right of the mortgagors? So this thing is provided in section 63. And what is the right of the mortgagees? So this thing is provided in section 70. Section 70 dealing with the accessions of mortgaged property by the mortgagee, and section 63 here the accessions of the mortgage property by mortgagors. So these are the right of mortgagor and these are the right of mortgagee. So this thing is provided in section 70 and 63. So in the question, the mortgagors upon the redemption is entitled to option A interest, option B such accession, and option C accretion, and option D none of the above. So answer is here option B such accession. So such improvement in the property or improvement or growth in the property. So answer is here option B. Now question number 154. Within the meaning of the provision section 63 of Transfer Property Act, the acquired the accession being separable, the mortgagor is not bound to take them, but if he does take them, he must pay the mortgagee the expenses of acquiring them. The statement is option A true, option A false, option B true, option C partly true, and option D none of the above. So this statement is true. If the mortgagee getting the any accession from arising from the property, he is bound to pay the expenses acquired by the mortgagee. So this statement is true statement. So our answer is here option B. Now question number 155. Under section 70, the Transfer Property Act, the natural accession or addition to the security and becoming incorporated in it are subject to option A redemption, option B not to be redeemed, and option C further accession, and option D none of the above. So answer is here redemption, option A. Now finish this video, and if you are like this video, please click on like button, and if you are not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it, and please press the bell icon button which is provide you a further notification of our videos. And thank you for watching Indian Judicial Service.